Hello lovely souls, festivity is right here in the air. Diwali is just around the corner and this is the time when everyone wants to glow. I wish to glow through the festive season myself and I thought why not share a festival special skincare routine for some healthy glow. Very simple routine, nothing extravagant, but I hope you will enjoy watching this video, spending some quality time with me, Let's start.
I have washed my face with this Nivea face wash. Okay, I must admit, I was initially a bit scared to try this one cause it has a lot of fragrance, but then I wanted this routine to be affordable yet effective. So yes.
Time for some exfoliation to bring out that radiance.
After completely drying my face, I'll apply this very gentle 5% lactic acid serum from Sugandha. The reason I chose this one is it's very gentle with a very low chance of skin irritation. I'm especially careful with exfoliants currently because I'm still getting used to a tretinoin. You can of course choose a higher percentage depending on your skin condition and tolerance.
After applying an exfoliating serum, you should keep a gap of at least 5 to 10 minutes for the product to really get in there and do its job. So let's wait a bit. In the meantime, I wanted to share with you something very exciting that I recently got to learn. 2-3 days back, I was feeling a bit low. These days whenever you look at the newspapers or open the TV channels, constantly one bad thing happening after another. One bad incident happening after another. Bad, terrible things happening around the world. So all these incidents and these news, they were taking a toll on my health, mental health, and I was a bit depressed. But then I came across this book. I had with me this book already, but just yesterday I started reading this book and it changed everything. So that's when I decided that I really need to share this with you guys. So this book called The Greatest Secret, it teaches you about yourself. It tells you about yourself. Like, who are you? You are not your body, you are not your mind, but you are the consciousness, the awareness that is present within your body. Does it make sense? Like for example, when you are feeling very sad or depressed, you are not sad or depressed. You are aware, the awareness that is present within you. That means you are aware of the sadness that is present within you. But you yourself, you are not sad. You are not depressed. You are not a feeling. You are aware of that feeling. Also, you need to be aware of the thoughts that you are thinking because these thoughts are shaping up your life. For example, if you are always complaining about the traffic, then you will always find yourself in high traffic situations. You will always find yourself stuck in traffic. At the same time, if you are grateful about something in your life, then life will give you more situations where you can be grateful. Basically, if you have a positive outlook most of the times, then you will attract towards yourself positive people, positive outcomes, positive incidents, etc. This book says a lot more, explains things very beautifully. I highly recommend you read this book and also another book by the same author called The Secret. I just wanted to share this stuff with you guys because these two books are really helping me live my life and enjoy my life. Next, I have chosen the Dr. Sheth's Alpha Arbutin Serum. So my skin is just freshly exfoliated and so this serum will penetrate the skin even better and do a better job.
So this serum has 2% alpha arbutin, 2% kojic acid beads, ashwagandha, licorice extract, etc. All these ingredients are very well known to reduce dullness, increase glow, fade dark spots, etc. Guys, alpha arbutin is a must-have product if you really want to get a nice even-toned complexion or reduce those dark spots or patches.
Oh God, now I need to rush because the natural light is going and it's getting dark and I have to complete this video before it gets too dark. Since I have just used an exfoliant today, I won't use any other strong actives that might cause irritation or redness. I'll just apply this lightweight moisturizer and finish my routine.
This phytoceramide moisturizer from Earth Rhythm, it's a very lightweight moisturizer and it absorbs very quickly and easily into the skin. So this moisturizer is mainly meant for people with dry skin, but I have seen that it works on my combination to normal skin as well. It leaves a nice non-greasy dewy finish.
That's it girls and guys, a very simple minimalist routine that you can definitely try. I usually follow this routine before any big event or something. There's no harsh active in this skincare routine that can cause sudden irritation or redness, you know. So I hope you enjoyed watching this. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also press the bell notification so that I can reach out to you on time. Bye. Love you. Take care and think happy thoughts.